Hello folks, I got a Stitch Fix today. When I ordered the Stitch Fix, I took everything off my Pinterest and I put up 5 items. And if I could figure out how, I will link to the pictures of, might not even be 5, might have been 4 items I put in my Pinterest. And my note just said, build an outfit around any of these items. So we will see what happened. I know the stylists are limited by inventory. Mary's here, she's in the kitchen, she's not coming out to watch. I said, bring me a blade to open the box. So she took out an old trusty one. And let's see, oh, it works so well. Worked really well. Mary and Doral works really well for box opening. Worked better than my little knife. Okay, I was really hoping for a particular person here, and it looks like that didn't happen, but let's see what did. There's a lot of pink in there. All right. In the box with the Stitch Fix is my paperwork, my envelope to return anything I don't want. If you want to know anything about Stitch Fix, I will have all the details in the description box below. Here's my envelope to return what I do not want to purchase. And my invoice. I should have looked at that last. Okay. Ooh, these are almost a hot pink coral. These are called the Margot Straight Leg Chino with Angled Pockets by Lila, Rainn. And one thing I did find out is stylists do not know made in China. They don't get to see where an item's made when they pick it, because I always ask not made in China, and she has no way of telling. Unless it's specifically, if the item is specifically made in the USA, they'll list that, but not everything else. I avoid made in China. I won't rule it out completely, so let's see how these fit. Ooh, I like the color on this one. What is it? Is it a dress? Ooh, look at this. Let's see how this little dress looks. Ooh, this is a button up. I love the color on it. Let's see. Ooh, this is by Ralph Lauren, made in India. A very light feeling plaid shirt. It's got the tab sleeves. So far, I don't see any of the items I actually had pinned, so she may not have been able to get any of them, unfortunately. This, I might have swiped like on this just because it has bananas on it. If something's whimsical, it overrides almost all my other objections. I hope this fits. This is the Kate Sturino for Stitch Fix. Made in Vietnam. It is very light feeling, and it is button up, which gives me concerns as to whether it'll gape. But look, it's got bananas all over it, which is really cute. I am betting this is rayon because it's wrinkly. And this is by Cosmic Blue Love. I actually had pinned a pair of their capris that I was really hoping to get. If it shows up in my Shop Your Style, I'm probably going to get it. This is Cosmic Blue Love. This is a size large. It is also a button-up. And we'll see if the button-ups work. If the button-ups don't gape, there's some items in there I'm actually quite interested in. So let's get to the try-on and see how it works. Okay, first item. This is the Kate Sturino. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Zerop banana print top in a size medium. Now, as I stand up, I think you can see already the difficulty I'm having. It's the difficulty I have with every top. I love the pattern on this. It fits loose. It's this light rayon. As soon as I start moving my arms around, that dreaded button right here at my bust line starts to open up. I have this problem with every button up. sadly, because I think this is really cute and fun. All right, this is the Ralph Lauren Rimnan button down something. The text stops after button down. They call this color orange, maybe a little bit of orange. This is a size large. It's also $88. Large puts it mildly. Even in the large, there's that little tiny bit of gaping there. Not a whole lot because it's huge. Look at the size of this. These I think are supposed to hit about 3/4. They're almost down to my wrist and the tabs don't stay up. Part of the sleeve flops down. This is an $88 top? No. It is 100% cotton, so it would be cool, but it is for someone much taller and wider than me. The Daniel Rainn dress, let me get my thing here. The Daniel Rainn Vika crochet detailed dress in burnt orange. I like the color an awful lot. I hate these hanger things, excuse me. I like the pattern. I look like an orange brick though when I wear it. I like the length too, the flowiness. Whee! What do you think? I don't think it suits me figure-wise. I don't think it does me any favors figure-wise. So give me your opinion. Did I say before that the banana shirt was my favorite? I think actually this Cosmic Blue Love top is my favorite. This is the Cosmic Blue Love Ava button-down top in pink. It's actually a shade of pink that I think is okay on me. Some pinks work on me and some pinks shouldn't get near me. It's nice and bright. I like it. The vertical stripes are, I don't like horizontal stripes because I look like a beach ball, but these thin vertical stripes I think are good. It's also in a large petite, which is probably why the fit is better than the other one. I still have some gaping issues at the chest. With it, I am wearing, sorry, I keep dropping my price sheet and having to pick it up. I am wearing the Lila Rainn Margot straight leg chino pants in coral size 12. Now note where the pants hit. They're actually a little loose around the waist, believe it or not. I guess that's a good thing. They fit in the hips. Now, can you see what's happening right here? The curse of the button up with me. They don't, I can rearrange it, and then it's not gaping, and then when I get up and move, it starts to gape again. I'm a D cup. And button-ups don't like me. I like this shirt a lot. It is that really light rayon, I think. It's so breezy. Problem is it's a button-up. So anyway, I'll return for a wrap-up. I will put the item prices under the picture of each top as I do the wrap-up, each item of clothing, and I will also have them in the description box below. So I value your opinion as always. Stay tuned for the wrap up. Here's the Daniel Rainn dress. I like the color. I like the pattern. I thought I looked like a brick wearing it. It really was not flattering to me. Also, all Daniel Rainn is made in China. And I did specifically request no Daniel Rainn in my note. So I'm kind of sad, although I can see why she sent it because the colors are perfect for me. This is 100% polyester for the dress, and the lining is polyester and spandex. The lace part up here is cotton. So that's the material. It's a pretty dress on the right person. Did not flatter me, I think. But as always, let me know what you think. The Lila Rainn pants. These actually fit very comfortably. They're a regular size 12 and they are 53% cotton, 24% rayon, 19% tensile, 4% spandex. They feel great. I think they're supposed to be cropped. On most normal height people, they'd be cropped. I'm 5'2", and they hit at that awkward spot that's too long to be cropped, but too short to be regular. And that just has to do with my height. That's why they hit there. So they're going to be a no. They're also made in China, which, as you know, if I'm on the fence about something, that'll push me to the no side. This thing, oh my goodness, this is the Ralph Lauren top, 100% cotton. She sent this to me in a size large, maybe because it was a button-up. It's huge on me. It's huge on me. Very nice, light. I've seen shirts like this in many places. It's okay. It's way too big for me. Now, the two things I kind of liked in here. All right, here's the Cosmic Blue Love top. I thought this was very cute. I had the problem I always have, which is it does gape at the chest area, at the bust line. If I'm standing perfectly still, you're not going to notice it, but as soon as I start to move, it opens up. I just can't. I wish I could do button-ups. I just can't because of gaping. This comes with a little extra button sewn to the tag there, which is very nice. And this is 100% rayon. Rayon feels gorgeous. Rayon as a fabric feels wonderful. Molly said that the fabrications in this box she was excited about, and she should be, because they're like perfect summer weight clothes. They're very breathable. I really wish this fit better over my bust because that was very cute. And it went really well with the coral pants as well. And then, I'm gonna have to think about this one. Mary took one look at it and said, "Mom, that's hideous because it's covered with bananas," but that's why I love it. Same issue. Just where the buttons hit at the bust invites gaping. This is a medium, so this runs really, really big, I would say. I really like this. Again, it's a very light material. What material is this? I bet it's rayon, 100% rayon. Light, airy, nice to wear in the summer, wrinkly, so it does need some ironing. A lot of my rayon tops, though, if I hang them as soon as they're finished in the wash, if I hang them up, the wrinkles aren't too bad. Problem is the button up and the gaping. I love the bananas on this. I like the color. I think this is also going to be a pass. I'm going to have to think about it. I have a button-up shirt I kept from when Christine was my stylist, and I kept it. It was also yellow, and it was covered in birds, and I love birds. I never wear it because it's a button-up. I don't pull for it. I would be best wearing it as a jacket with a t-shirt underneath it. The button-ups just always gape. As soon as I move, I reach for something, move my arm, boom, it opens. Sometimes the buttons pop open. So I just can't do the button-ups. So my inclination right now is that this will all be a return, and that makes me very sad. Box had a lot of pluses, especially the fabrication, and the colors were very nice. But I don't think anything worked for me, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Probably returning everything, and I may just hit the Shop Your Style button to finish using my credit. I've been ordering a Stitch Fix because I have some credit on my account, and I wanna use it up before it expires. And maybe I'll just have to go to Shop Your Style next time a few of those things that I'm looking for pop up and order them that way. I like, with Stitch Fix, I like a stylist picking out items because sometimes stylists have picked out things I would never ever pick for myself, and I've ended up really liking them. But for right now, maybe I should just give this a break, get a few things off Shop Your Style, and maybe wait for autumn to order another Stitch Fix. I don't know. Tell me what you think about the items, and as I said before, item names and descriptions, as well as a link to Stitch Fix if you would like to try it, will be in the description box below. And I do have a fashion box on its way, so that's probably the next time I will see you.